Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to change faulty hard disk in your DVR. So this is how an hard disk look like. You can see from the red cable there in, we have the ATA data control the informations that is gathering from the cameras around. And the second one there is for power. It powers the hard disk. This is how DVR look like. DVR means digital video recorder, using to record motions from CCTV cameras, closed circuit television. To replace a faulty hard disk in your DVR, you carefully open the DVR, just like this. Then you can even do this before you open the DVR. Switch it off. You have to off it before you remove the bad hard disk. Please take note of this. So that is the old hard disk, the 41. This is the new one. So after you have successfully replaced the bad or faulty hard disk, the DVR will automatically format the hard disk. It will wipe off every information that was previously on the hard disk. Thank you so much guys for watching our video. Please kindly subscribe to our channel so you can watch many of our upcoming videos.